10-minute section is for vocabulary. Our goal should be to make sentences. That's what we are going to do. Like whatever words we are learning, your goal should be to make sentences and try to relate with your real life. Again, these words are modern words, so I assume that it's not going to be boring. So let's start with Kishan. Kishan, what do you understand by this word called gratitude?
I think you should be happy whatever you have. You should not be compare what other people have. So I think the option should be thankfulness.
Yeah. Go ahead. Make some sentences on gratitude.
Is it necessary to make only for gratitude? Can I say grateful?
You can, but better would be to make a sentence on the word gratitude, because that's what we are discussing right now. Here is another hint for you. It is the noun. So let me show you one example. Show gratitude to your parents. What does it mean? कि तुमको अपने पेरेंट्स को ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाना चाहिए, थैंकफुल होना चाहिए. Okay, let me make some more sentences. I feel gratitude for small things. Explain it in Hindi, Kishan.
Like whatever I'm getting, small things, it could be money, it could be anything. I'm feeling very happy for whoever is giving to me.
Correct. Keep it simple. Like you don't have to explain everything. You don't have to literally translate it. Whatever you understand, keep it simple. Last. Gratitude improves mindset.
Like suppose if someone is helping you, so I think you should give respect to them, so it improve your mindset, like whatever they are doing for you.
Yeah.
So you should be like show some respect. So
Rahul, what do you understand by this word internship?
The internship, this word shows someone started their career from a small start. They just learn from what they do in the future, whatever they are learning in the college. They will do the hands-on on the enterprise level work. Like experience, they are getting the experience from the internship.
Yeah. So in simple words, what can we say out of these 4 options?
Training job.
Training job. It's not your full-time job. Somebody is hiring you just to give you experience. It could be paid, it could be unpaid, but you are not a full-time employee there, right? Yes. Temporary employee. In other words, we can say that. No?
The only motivation behind this is to train the people.
Correct. So training period in a job. Can you make a sentence?
Yes.
Here are some more examples. I did an internship last year. Very simple.
Yes.
Last year मैंने एक internship किया था. Internships give experience. मतलब वही again कि अगर आप कहीं काम कर रहे हो as an intern, तो आपको वो experience मिलता है. He is doing an internship in marketing. मतलब वो किस एरिया में internship कर रहा है? In marketing.
Marketing में वो internship कर रहा है.
Yeah. Omkar, go ahead. What do you understand by this word glitch? Here are your options.
I feel regret about something.
No. Here are your options. You can look at the options. Glitch. Is it first time you are hearing this word? Glitch? Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, it's not error. It's a problem maybe.
It is related to problem.
Small technical problem.
Exactly.
Technical problem. Small.
For example, I am recording this session, and if something happens, we can call it a glitch. Okay. During the class, we encountered some glitch.
Yeah.
I think you guys all are from IT background, so you might be familiar with the word glitch. Kishan?
Yes.
Do you want to make some sentences, Omkar?
Yes.
Go ahead.
When I was working on my project, then I got one glitch in my software project.
Correct. See, even if you didn't know the meaning first time, your sentence is absolutely correct. Why? Because you are familiar with the term. You didn't know the exact word, but you knew the context.
Yeah, glitch. My thinking was related to, मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि दलदल की तरह ये glitch का meaning दलदल दलदल की तरह feel हो रहा था मेरे को. मतलब कोई
But
कहाँ पे तो फंसा हुआ है.
yeah, here is one more example. There is a glitch in the app. मतलब कि ऐप सही से काम नहीं कर रहा है. So we can say there is a glitch. The video is stopped due to a glitch. The example I gave you earlier. कि वीडियो रुक गया glitch के वजह से. Fix the glitch quickly. यानी कि उसको फिक्स करो, सही करो. So you can add some elements before these words. आप चाहो तो इन words के पहले कुछ element add कर सकते हो. Why don't you fix the glitch quickly? It will hardly take a few seconds. So try to play with sentences. Rahul, this is also you can do. Play with words. Okay?
Yeah.
Different scenarios. That how can I say it differently? Make it like a puzzle kind of thing. It will become interesting.
We can assemble the word.
Yeah.
Like.
Yes. All right. Mr. Sheikh, it's your turn. Subani, tell us,
Yes, sir,
what do
yes,
you
sir.
understand by this word? Freelancing. Here are your options.
Freelancing. Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll give you a hint.
Freelancing.
It is
Okay,
related
okay,
to
sir.
job, and I am a
Okay, sir.
freelancer. So my job is freelancing. Now, can you take a guess?
Option to B, sir, working independently.
Correct. Working independently. You are not working under
Yes, sir.
anybody. Nobody is your boss. You are your boss. You are your own
Yes, sir.
employer. Right? That is called
Yes, sir.
freelancing.
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
require any office. You can do it from anywhere, from your room, from a particular office. Okay? That kind of work is
Yes, sir.
called freelancing. Can you make a sentence?
Yes, sir.
And another definition is working for yourself. The definition I gave you earlier, nobody is your boss and nobody is your employer,
Yes,
by the
sir.
way. I am doing freelancing. खुद का एग्जाम्पल हो गया मेरा कि मैं फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहा
Yes, sir.
हूँ.
Yes, sir.
फ्रीलांसिंग
Yes,
गिव्स
sir.
फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी का मतलब कि हमारे पास ये मौका रहता है कि हम अपने काम को आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं. लाइक वी हैव द फ्रीडम.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मेनी स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट फ्रीलांसिंग अर्ली. कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट फ्रीलांसिंग जल्दी ही स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. आई गेस because of the internet, freelancing has become very easy. Earlier it was quite difficult, but now we have the access to the internet and students start freelancing early. Learning random words will not make you a fluent speaker, but if you learn vocabulary in a pattern and by making a lot of sentences, then you can remember them for a longer period of time and you will be able to make sentences while speaking also. I hope the class was helpful, and if you have any doubts and if you want me to talk about any particular word, then you can leave that in the comments. And if you have learned any of those words, try to make sentences on them. Because remember, learning words alone will not make you a fluent speaker unless you are speaking or making sentences on them. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another topic.